There's some information flying around suggesting that if you buy your sauna from me, it's not warranted or serviced the same. Please know this information is false.
Welcome to Homes That Heal, the podcast that transforms your life and home into a sanctuary of health, healing, and happiness. Hi, I'm Jen Heller, a wellness educator, infrared sauna expert, and your guide to living intentionally. Each week, we'll explore a variety of wellness tools, along with detoxification, weight loss, and anti-aging tips to boost your energy and align your mind and body so you can thrive in life, not just survive. Your health is your wealth, and it all starts at home. Let's dive in and create a home that heals.
Hey friends, Jen here. Welcome back to Homes That Heal. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. I appreciate you. So before we jump into today's sauna questions, I just want to take a hot second here. I know many of you are listening because you're shopping saunas, and we'll get to that in a second. But I just need to shout out and look back at February's amazing lineup of guests on my show over the last month. If you've missed those or you're not aware that I have guests on my show and you just tune into the Ask Jen Sauna shows or sauna episodes, take a peek back. I mean, basically back to the first of the year, but in the last few weeks, we've talked to Kelly Annenson about yoga, breathwork, and movement, Colleen Rathbun on mental health, nutrition, nature, and getting back to basics, Dr. Ilya Gregorius with grateful living, kindness, positive mindset, and last week, Dr. Wendy Hendricks on the importance of chiropractic in aligning your body and mind. So again, if you are interested in any other information outside of saunas, please do yourself a favor and check those out. Okay, so I'm going to keep today's show pretty short and sweet as it relates to saunas. I know so many of you are already in like analysis paralysis, and I honestly just don't want to pile on every single day. I'm getting people calling and just really frustrated that they're just overwhelmed. So today we're just going to talk about some basic stuff. We're going to switch gears, and I actually made this decision kind of last minute. Today, actually, I made this decision to go over some basic logistic questions about the delivery process instead of going through a complete deep dive on the comparison with Radiant Health's new Pause sauna. Don't worry though, that's coming in a few weeks. I honestly just need a bit more time to go over all my notes, go through their changes. Plus, I want to include some important information and opinions I've never shared before. So stay tuned. That's coming very soon. Trust me, I have a lot to say about it. Anyways, okay, let's dig in. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the logistical questions that I get asked every day about sauna delivery. Number one, what is the delivery process and how will I know when my sauna is coming? So here's the step-by-steps. Once your sauna is paid for, in stock, and I verified with you that you will be home the next 2 weeks to receive your delivery, I authorize it to ship. From there, within 2 to 3 business days, freight will pick up your sauna from Clearlight's headquarters in Berkeley, California, and then it's on the move with the freight team. Also note, Clearlight has a few hub locations with saunas and storage around the country too, making deliveries to the Midwest and East Coast a bit quicker. So not everything comes out of Berkeley, California. Next step. So once it's on the move with the freight company for about 3 to 4 business days, you'll receive an email from my team with your tracking link. This tracking link is a live and active look at where your sauna is located during its freight journey. Once it arrives in your state, usually the closest major city hub or closest major freight terminal to you, the freight company from that location will call you directly to set up a delivery appointment. This is very important. They will set a delivery appointment so you get to pick the day and time that works for you. It does not show up like Amazon Prime on your doorstep. The freight team will call you directly so you know exactly when it's coming. The total shipping and delivery process is anywhere from 5 to 14 days. It honestly just depends on your location, any inclement weather, anything the freight industry runs into. There's honestly no crystal ball here. It's a bit different for everyone, and it's totally dependent on the freight industry. And again, what's going on across the country. If there's a snowmageddon that's impacting 20 states, clearly that's going to impact freight travel. But the important thing to note in this process is that you will get a scheduled appointment. Okay, number 2, How does the sauna arrive at my home? Your sauna will be in 3 flat pack boxes on a pallet, totally wrapped in plywood. We call this a freight crate, and it's totally wrapped in plywood, so it's protected for freight travel. Now, freight damage does happen. Obviously, things happen, but it is very rare. So I just like to point that out. These 3 boxes are positioned upright on the pallet, and the best way I like to describe these boxes are kind of imagine like large, oversized pizza boxes, and each box is labeled and will have a couple panels inside. It's my recommendation that when you open up this freight crate, you lay the boxes down on a garage floor or driveway or somewhere where you can like clearly open them up and then bring the panels inside. It's much easier to maneuver the panels in your home versus the boxes themselves. The size of your sauna will determine the size of the boxes in the crate. But typically, the pallets are 7 to 8 feet wide and about 3 feet deep. And the height is determined based on your sauna model. So the larger the sauna, the taller it is. But generally, they're anywhere from like 5 to 8 feet tall. So, one thing I want to note here is for anyone who's ordering an outdoor 5, your sauna is actually going to come on 2 large pallets, not just one. These outdoor saunas are much heavier and larger, and they require 2 pallets. So that's just something to note for receiving delivery. Also note, I always include a picture of your freight crate in your confirmation email, so you have a visual and you know what's coming. Last question, number 3. Will the delivery company deliver my sauna into my home? No. Straight answer is no. The delivery team is not delivering saunas into homes. The pallets do not fit through doors. They are just dropping it off by appointment, so someone has to be home to sign for it, and you'll need a clear path to where you want it set. And remember, these pallets are 7 to 8 feet wide and about 3 feet deep, so you have to have a pretty good amount of space to set these down. The free shipping that's included with your sauna purchase is delivery only, and this doesn't mean, again, inside your home. They take the pallet off the truck with a liftgate system and a pallet jack. Once it's on the ground, that pallet jack is on wheels, so they can roll it or wheel it as close to your home as possible. And this could be a sidewalk, a garage, a carport area, whatever is the most easy access for them and that they can safely wheel it into space. But again, this looks different for everybody. So if you have a specific or unique driveway or delivery situation or dead end road, it's best to just let me know that so we can talk through it and just make sure that all of our bases are covered. Okay, so that's a wrap for questions. I want to shift into this week's testimonial. It's short and sweet, just like the questions. And this week's testimonial comes from Jason in South Carolina, who bought his sauna actually late last year and just reached out to me this week to buy a red light tower for it, which I think is an amazing accessory. I have one in my sauna and love it. After I sent him the confirmation on his red light, he wrote me back this. Thank you so much, Jen. My sauna was the best investment ever. It's definitely helped improve my overall health. I can't thank you enough. So thanks again, Jason. I appreciate you and your feedback and so happy to hear you're loving your sauna. Friends, I get these messages every week and I promise they never get old. So please keep them coming. All right. So, in closing, I just have a couple things I want to mention before we wrap up this week. A lot of you are curious and aren't sure about my relationship with Clearlight. I get asked this all the time. It's important for you to know I've worked with Clearlight for over 15 years, but I do not work for them. I work with them, meaning I sell their saunas through my company inside their company. But when you work with me, it's the same sauna, shipped from the same location, warranted and serviced the exact same way as if you called and spoke to someone in their call center. If you want to learn more about me and my relationship with Clearlight, why I choose them and my health journey, and basically how one of their saunas saved my life years ago, please feel free to tune into episode 64. I actually kind of walk you right through it. So the reason why I'm bringing this up is there's some information flying around suggesting that if you buy your sauna from me, it's not warranted or serviced the same. Please know this information is false and totally not true. I don't have a pile of saunas stashed anywhere, I promise. All Clearline saunas ship from their locations and are covered by their lifetime warranty. If for some reason something happens to me or my company and I'm no longer around, rest assured your sauna is warranted with Clearlight, not with Jen Heller. So it will always be warranted with them and you can call them anytime. Friends, I've been doing this a very long time and have had the pleasure of working with thousands of people over the years. Many of you are listening to the show and I want you to know how much I appreciate and value you. You are the reason I do what I do every day. Thank you for sharing your positive experiences with me and my team online and inside the private Facebook groups. I cannot thank you enough. I have an amazing team. We run a tight ship, and it's honestly one of the many reasons people choose to work with me. It's also why Matt Justice has referred his certified saunas group specifically to me for many years. Lastly, please note you can't get to me by calling Clearlight's 800 number. I don't work inside their call center. I work independently through my company, Jen Heller Lifestyle, at jenhellerlifestyle.com. I'm unfortunately getting a lot of feedback from people that they think they're talking or texting to me when in fact they're not. What's also a bit confusing is there is a Jenny on the Clearlight team, which I hear is now going by Jen. So if you want to connect with me personally, please use the contact information on my site, jenhellerlifestyle.com, or find my info in the show notes or online or in the Certified Saunas group. If you're looking for me, please be sure and ask if you're speaking to Jen Heller. Okay, friends, that is a wrap for this week. If you want to shop saunas, red lights, or anything else on my site, check out jenhellerlifestyle.com. It's loaded with info, spec sheets, articles, blogs, sauna comparisons, more Ask Jen shows, pictures, plus, of course, current sauna sale pricing. Call me, text me, email me anytime. I'm here for you and happy to help. Thanks again for tuning in this week, my friends. Wishing you the best in health. Cheers.
Okay, friends and fellow wellness warriors, thanks for tuning in today. If this show was helpful and inspired you, please head over to Apple or Spotify to rate, review, subscribe, and follow us, as well as share it with your friends and family. It's a fantastic way to grow the show, expand my reach, and teach others how to create a vibrant life they love. If you're ready to invest in your health and purchase a Clearlight Sauna, hop on over to jenhellerlifestyle.com and send me a note. Thanks again for tuning in. I love you. I'm grateful for you, and I thank you so much for your support. You are the reason I do this work. You are the reason I do this show. And you are the reason I get up every single day with a burning desire in my soul. Cheers to your health and happiness, my friends. We'll see you next week. This podcast is for general information purposes only and is not intended to be substituted for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you think you have a medical condition, consult your licensed physician.